Well, here we are. It's 12:16:10, and we're at my home course of Pine Knob, and a beautiful afternoon here. I'm missing my usual skiing partner, Christina, but evidently some people have to work while others can skip away. We're overlooking Pine Knob, a beautiful sunny day. Not many people out here today, yet anyway. And we'll start on the course. This video dovetails my last skiing video, which was titled the second to last skiing trip of the year. This is actually the second trip down the slope of this year. Spotted already a expert. Slope still groomed very nicely. Lots of corduroy. You can see my shadow skiing downhill. And we'll come into the lodge here, take the wide approach, and go up the beginner run again, get myself ready. See you at the next video.